Back here with a look at Rndr. These bull markets, they're full of, and we're not even in a full blown bull run yet. Okay, they're full of ups and downs. They will test you. They lullaby you to sleep, and then make these big massive moves. But we're not far away from another push up here for Rndr. Okay, you can see what's playing out here. If you come out in a monthly, yeah, it even looks a little clearer. Okay, on the weekly, I guess it looks the best. You can see what's going on here. Okay, you have, it's pretty obvious here. One, two, whoops, two, three, four, and your fifth wave up. Okay, this fifth wave is going to take us up towards, let's see here, should take us up towards 1860, somewhere right around there. This is not financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. Okay, please do your own research with all that stuff. Let me check something out here. Let's put a trend-based fib on here once. Go from our bottom to our high to retracement. Okay, that one didn't work out too good there. Excuse me. That one only went to the peak here. But this definitely looks like a fourth wave pullback in here. Now, if we zoom in here a little bit better, there's some stuff we talked about in prior episodes. All right, number one was right when we got to this area, this green box right here. We were either going to break through it or we were going to get rejected. Okay, you can see right on this upper half here, we ended up getting rejected off here. All right, which in turn is building this massive symmetrical triangle wedge, whatever you want to call it here. We also had an interior wedge in here, which I was watching for trade, and this ended up falling out down through here. Ended up missing this trade. I had alarms on here. They went off while unfortunately I was sleeping, so I ended up missing out on this trade. So let's get these off here real quick. Okay, all right, so this ended up breaking down. Now you have two touches on the bottom here. A lot of times you can figure out what is going to happen with the trend line when you have two touches. Extend your trend line out and you can see where the next touch is more than likely coming. Just like with this upper one up here, you have your two touches. A third touch would be make it valid, which I believe we'll get. You have one, two, you have a third one coming here. Okay, a third touch coming down here. It looks like around 828, something like that. Me personally, and this is not financial advice, once again, I will be looking to take a long off the bottom here, okay, and riding this thing up. Now, if we get that breakout from the upside, this can turn out to be another big move here, okay? We have a lot of tokens doing this. Gala Games, same type of setup, all right? And I've looked at that and we've went through that, and it just doesn't make sense for a breakdown here. Okay, an ABC pattern. If this got rejected right there and followed through with this ABC, all right there. Okay, that would be the top of your B wave. Pull this down on top. That would mean a breakdown down to $4.07. Okay, that would put us way back down here again. That would break any kind of structure that that we have going on here for a bull cycle. That's why I personally believe in my heart this is going to break out the upside. Now, by taking a long down here on this trend line, you're also protecting yourself. Stop loss not far below that. Minimal risk, high possibility of return here. Okay, if you take a 10x on this, and if you're interested in learning this stuff, guys, and taking trades with us, a level 3 membership's only $15. You get 22 videos, over 9 hours of videos to teach you how to trade chart like this, and you get a link to the Discord, and you get trade alerts sent to you. All right, so if that's something that interests you, we have over 200 members over there. So there's always people in there to talk, watch what people are trading. And come on over and join us if it's something that interested. We have a long bull run ahead of us, come make money with us. All right, now if you take the long off the trend line here, say this thing comes down and touches right there, just for instance. All right, you're looking 120%. On a 10x, you're looking at 12xing your money. All right, it's not something that's going to happen overnight. It's going to take a month or two to play out. If you take a 20x on this, you're looking at 22xing your money. On $1,000 trade on a 22x, if this works out and you're looking at turning 1,000 into 22,000. All right, that's how fast you can make money with leverage. All right, now if it goes against you, you're risking, say, 20% drop. You put in a 20% stop loss. You're risking $200 to possibly make, $10,000. So not a bad trade-off for sure. And like I said, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. But when you take trades on support, or against resistance and you're looking for a drop, that's some of your best trades, all right? Don't trade out here in the middle. Okay, that's dead man's land. All right, you're going to get chopped up out here. You're going to get wrecked. It's too choppy out through here. Once you get a pattern started, trade the patterns. If you get the breakdown, take the trade. It broke down and went down. But just to jump in a trade here and say, I think it's going to go long, you're going to get chopped up. Okay, wait till it hits resistance or hits support. Like I said, not financial advice, guys. Just trying to give you a little bit of tips that I use, and then take your trade. Make it sensible. If you want to be a professional trader, then make professional trades, right? Just be smart. I know it's hard. Believe me, I've been trading like this for 4 years now. It's very, very hard to sit around and wait for a trade to happen. But it's real money you're risking, all right? If you have $100 in your account and you mess around in here and chop it down to $20, and then you take the trade on trend line down here, and then you turn that 20 into 1,000, that's where you should have waited. You would have turned that 100 into whatever, $1,200 or 2,000 or 3,000, whatever. But I'm just trying to teach you, take your trades on support right here, support right there, support, where it's probably going to stop right there. Take your trade long there and ride it up, or take your short up here when it hits here. Resistance, if it breaks through, put your stop loss right above it, 20% stop or whatever. Your risk to reward on a trade like that, if you're taking a trade up here at the top, and riding it down to the bottom, okay, you're risking 200 if you have 1,000 into your account, and you're risking to make times 3x your money. You're risking to make 3,000 or lose 200. So that's a trade that obviously makes a lot of sense. On a 10x, you're looking at 310%. On a 20x, you're looking at 600%. You're looking at 6x in your money. And you can use higher leverage when you're taking trades in the right places. Just be very careful. This is the area out here. This is dead man's land. You're going to get chopped up. Your money's going to get taken out here. Unless you see something playing out, this is on a daily. So if you see a break of resistance in here on a wedge or a support line, whatever. But to just throw trades in out through here, worthless. You're gonna get chopped. You see how up and down this stuff is. But you see when it eventually gets down here and it stops here, it runs straight up. When it gets to the top, it runs down. Okay, ran sideways and continued down. Take your trades where they make sense. But Rndr, watch for a stop here around $8.30, $8.25, somewhere right around this trend line, and then watch for a bounce here. Okay, that's what I'm betting on here. You got your daily right on the bottom, your weekly is right down at the bottom. Your 3 day, your 3 days rolling over still pulling down here, and your 5 day is right near the bottom here, almost reset. Okay, so Rndr is setting up for that, that possible push higher here. Now let's take a trend-based fib off of this. All right, from our low to our high, the retracement. What's that give us? That looks pretty decent, don't it? And I didn't get exact in here, but that looks pretty good. Trend-based fib about to 1934, 1841. It's only $1 off here difference. So yeah, I'm watching for this fifth wave up. All right, thank you so much, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe. Come join us. $15. Come join us over and trade with us over there. All right, watch for a bottom in here. Not financial advice, guys. Maybe to consider taking a long in here, see what happens. All right, if you take a long here and you win it, come join us. Get the membership and come join us if you hit a good trade here. It's worth it. So have a great day, everybody.